welcome to yet another event by High TV. And today we are here at Jal Salon as it embarks on its new journey into conscious beauty. Join me as we go through the proceedings. How are you feeling today?
I'm feeling great. It's very Christmassy these days and it's my favorite time of the year.
So what do you expect from the new and improved Jal?
Well, I'm really excited because Jal has always been very consistent with their beauty standards, and us women, we just love going to a salon and getting pampered. And I'm also very excited about Jal introducing nature-friendly and sustainable products. I'm really looking forward to my new experience at Jal.
I have with me Charini. How are you feeling tonight?
Very good, thank you. It's so nice to be outside.
Just want to get your thoughts on the new and improved Jal Colombo.
Quite excited about the new concept of conscious beauty, and it's nice to see that the beauty industry is also taking a step towards being conscious and environmentally friendly. So yeah, it's a good step to take forward.
Here at Jal Colombo. How are you feeling tonight?
Really excited. This is a really interesting concept for us, and we're looking for a bright future ahead.
What can anyone actually expect from the new and improved Jal Colombo?
Right now we are actually the whole concept is really new to me as well. So it's basically using all natural resources and sustainability, and basically reducing all these toxic materials all around and improving everyone's the beauty within them, basically. So yeah.
I have with me Nadia Fernando. How are you feeling today?
A little bit nervous, but excited to be here.
So we are here at the new and improved Jal Salon. So if you could just walk us through the plan for the day and what you've planned out, basically.
Well, honestly, I know that there's going to be a lot of entertainment today, and we're going to have magnificent guests and lovely people around. I'm not entirely sure the sequence of events, but what I know is that I will be doing a couple of demonstrations with Beauty by Roche's collection.
I have with me Rosie Senanaika. How are you feeling tonight?
I'm feeling great, actually. I'm feeling great to be here at Jal. After 13 years, I was here for the opening 13 years ago. That was the very inception of Jal, and people didn't know what to expect, but at that point. But Jal has basically done great work in the last 13 years, and its clientele has grown. And I think, I could only wish Jalini and her team all the very best, because she's constantly kept herself updated with whatever that is new. And sustainable consumption is actually her a key, and also the fact that she uses very environmentally friendly products is something that keeps people, because people are very conscious today of what they put on their face or what they use, whether it's a hair product or a face product. So Jalini is always updated, and she keeps in tune with whatever that is sustainably friendly. So I really wish Jalini and her team all the very best, and I hope she grows from here to greater heights. And this is one of the leading salons in the country, so all the credit goes to Jalini Premadasa.
you feeling tonight?
I'm feeling pretty good. Thank you very much. It's been an interesting few months, but yeah, feeling fine. Thank you.
What do you expect from the new and improved Jal Colombo?
Well, I think they'll provide a fantastic service, sustainable consumption, natural products. I think that's where the world is moving to. So to be able to provide that service to Sri Lanka and all their loyal customers, and it's kind of a rebirth of Jal at the moment. So yeah, congratulations to everyone involved.
I have with me Soraya. How are you feeling tonight?
Hi, really excited and happy to be here.
So what do you expect from the new and improved Jal Colombo?
Well, Jal Colombo has always been popular for their great service and wonderful staff. And also, I think with their new concept of conscious beauty, I think you can expect to see brands and services that really respect your skin and also respect the environment, which I think is a very, very important thing in today's concept.
Thank you so much. So if you can just elaborate on your part on pushing Jal to this whole conscious lifestyle.
Well, I think Sothis as a brand has been always very conscious. I think their love for nature started back in 2004. And it's always been a brand who's very responsible when it comes to the ingredients they source and the packaging they use. And they're very, very also conscious about what goes into our skin. And not only what they put into the product, but what is not in the product. Because there are certain ingredients that can be harmful. And I think Sothis as a brand has really respected that.
We have come to yet another close of a High TV event. Nisri Guru Singha signing out.